are you?
Hi, Miss Jennifer. I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Are you excited about learning about tessellations today?
Really excited.
That's awesome. Can you tell me what a tessellation is? Do you know? Have any ideas?
Is it like a pattern or something?
Yes, it is a pattern. It's actually made up of regular polygons. Do you know what a polygon is?
Aren't polygons like shapes and stuff?
They are shapes. Can you show me what kinds of polygons you can draw?
Okay. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Okay.
Okay. And you think all of these are polygons, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So let's start with the first one. Okay, first, the definition of a polygon is a figure with one or more sides.
Okay.
Okay, so do all of your pictures have one or more sides?
Well, I know these do, but the circle, I don't know, I think it doesn't because it goes round and round.
You're very right. So the circle wouldn't be one that you could use for a tessellation, so let's mark that out.
Okay.
Okay? Now, for tessellations, we're going to be talking about regular polygons. And the definition of a regular polygon is a polygon that has one or more sides that are equal with equal angles.
Okay.
Okay, so when you're looking at this one, does the square have one or more sides that are all equal with equal angles?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay, does the rectangle have one or more sides that are all equal in the same angles?
These two sides are longer than those two.
Very good. So would this be considered a regular polygon?
I guess not.
Good job.
Okay.
Let's cross that one out.
Okay.
Okay, now what about a triangle? Does a triangle have one or more equal sides that have the same angle?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, so we have the square and the triangle.
Okay.
You did a very good job in identifying those. Now I'm just going to go over a few rules of tessellations, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, number 1. Tessellations are shapes that tile a floor the same plane and they go on forever. Okay? Number 2. All of these tiles must be regular polygons. And what's a regular polygon?
I think you said it has, like, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal too?
Good job. Alright, and the third and final rule is that all of the vertexes, or each vertex, sorry, must look the same. Do you know what a vertex is?
No.
Okay, I'll draw it for you.
Okay.
Okay. A vertex is basically where all of the corners meet. Okay?
Okay.
So if I had 4 squares, all right, where do all the corners meet?
Right in the middle?
Good job. And that is called the vertex, where all the corners meet.
Okay.
Good job. All right. So I'm going to leave this on the board
Okay.
so that if you need help during the activity, you'll know where to look. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you an activity with some different shapes so that you can play with.
Ooh, do we get to color?
Actually, they're already colored for you. But I hope you like the colors.
Okay.
I want you to be creative and come up with a fun design. And it has to be a tessellation, so make sure that all of the shapes go on forever, that you could make a never-ending pattern, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's your paper. Do you like green?
It's like one of my favorite colors.
Okay. And you can use all the squares in here and the triangles. I picked squares and triangles because you drew a square and a triangle, so I knew you liked those shapes. All of the triangles, if you want to use those, make sure that you don't try to intermix them with squares because it's not going to work, is it?
Probably not.
Do you know why it wouldn't work?
Oh, because not all the sides would be the same?
Yeah, and what would that leave within the pattern?
I don't know.
It would leave gaps within. See? If you put a square, and then a triangle, and then a square, and then you try to make another triangle right here, and then you have another square, you can put them all together, but look, there's a gap left. And so the pattern needs to be connecting.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead and spend a few minutes and make me a pattern, and I'll come back and check on you.
Okay.
Okay. Here, I'll bring this closer so you can see it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you doing?
I think I'm doing okay. I don't know. It looks like it. I think it's all the same.
You're doing a very good job. You have the right idea.
Okay, good.
I like the colors that you chose.
Me too. I like green, and then purple and blue are fun too.
It's very fun.
What's your favorite color, Miss Jennifer?
Purple. Can't you tell by look at my front board?
Oh. Oops.
Are you finished?
Yes.
I really like your picture.
Really?
Yeah, it's a really neat pattern. All right.
Did I get it right?
You did get it right. Do you know why you got it right?
Well, it could go on like this forever, probably. Because I could, if there were more squares, I could keep putting them on there.
You could. Why did you choose squares instead of triangles?
Because they look like they make a little pattern like that. I don't know. It's like a checkerboard, and I like that.
That is neat. It is like a checkerboard. So, what did you learn about tessellations today?
Well, they go on forever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and they're made up of shapes, but not like just any shapes. You said they had to be regular polygons.
Good job.
Okay.
And what's a regular polygon?
the sides have to be equal, and the angles do too.
Good job.
Time.